When was the last time you went shopping online? Amazon? Google? Guess what? Real estate is no different. When you are selling your home, placing a yard sign on the front lawn and sticking it on the MLS, that's basic. Are you missing out on social media platforms with the most traffic? Hi, I'm Natasha Johnson with eXp Realty. You need maximized exposure to get your home in front of the most potential buyers. 95% of buyers search for their homes online, and 77% use social media to search. Yet only 16% of agents actually use social media in their marketing strategy, and only 1% are doing it correctly. As a real estate professional, I want to offer you more and better, so I came up with a disruptive, strategic digital marketing plan that places your home in front of thousands of potential buyers weekly. You're probably looking at this video as a result of those efforts. Now, if you'd like to hear more on how I use the tools of Fortune 500 companies to place your home in front of more buyers, give me a call. I'm Natasha Johnson with eXp Realty, providing you premier real estate solutions.